A very good evening to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Today we have a couple of currencies to cover for 3 ideas. The first currency we are looking at is Pound Australian Dollar. I'm looking to short Pound Australian Aussie, Pound Aussie at 1.756. So it will be this price over here. The previous support turn resistance, so I'm looking at this line to engage a short. My stop loss is at 1.7667. that will be somewhere over here. The stop loss is 121 pips. By the time the market hit 1.7509, alright, from the market, okay, let's say we went all the way up at this price, I'll look for a short. Once the market come back down hitting this price, I will be shifting my stop loss to entry pertaining a risk-free trade. My target one is at 1.7427. There'll be this price over here. Right now it is the resistance, and by the time it came back up, it will become the support. One of the major price I'm looking at. Profit 129 pips. Final take profit level 1.7310. Then will be this price over here. Total profit 246 pips. By attaining this price, I will have a 2:1 ratio for Pound Australian Dollar. For the subscriber who has subscribed to my trade ideas to around 2 months back, I've seen this video. I've plotted this chart, awaiting for a retest at this price. It go a bit off, but the price is still there. Alright, so my entry was putting at 1.0313. and my initial stop loss was 1.0430. Let's take a look at this. The highest price is when it went is 1.0344. My stop loss was 1.0430, but it never hit my stop loss, so the trade is still live. So some of you might be asking, hey Rain, looks like we have missed this trade. What's your plan moving forward? Okay, so I will still awaiting for the market. For those, of course, for those who have engaged the trade, keep the trade at it is. Quick recap. Target one at 0.9950, which we have attained target one over here, a total of 363 pips. That has already attained a 2:1 ratio. So some of you will have taken a major partial take profit. The final take profit level is at 0.9753. Alright, so for those who have missed this trade, the immediate question is, okay, so what should we do now? Market should came back down at this price, the previous low. Minimally it has to achieve 0.9961. so what I am looking for is a market retest at this level. Okay, so it should come somewhere at this price, 1.0320. and my initial stop loss will still be 1.0430. Instead of risking 117 pips, you are only risking 110 pips, then 7 pips different. Alright, so of course the market price I am looking for is after it retests the previous resistance over here. Alright, I am waiting for the market to come back down to target 1, and of course final take profit level 0.9753. There's some price over here. Alright, look left, previous support. Okay, so recap, entry price 1.0320 I'm looking at, stop loss 1.0430, target 1 0.9950, that would be 363 pips, target 2 0.9753, total 560 pips. Alright, that is for Australian Canadian dollar. For euro dollar, I am looking at 1.0995 for a entry to engage the price. For long entry, that will be this price over here. If you look left, important resistance at this price, so I'm waiting for market to come back down at this price. Look for a long opportunity. My initial stop loss is at 1.0930. There will be this price over here. My target take profit, I will have to go to a daily chart. Target 1 is at 1.1080, to no surprise, is the previous resistance. Alright, at 1 hour chart over here. Okay, previous resistance. And target 2 is at target 1 will bring you 85 pips of profit. Initial stop loss 1.0930, that will be 65 pips of stop loss. Target 2 is at 1.1155. Alright, this price over here, that will bring you to 160 pips of profit. At this price range, you'll hit a 2-1 ratio. Traders who wish to exit all their trade over here is pretty fine. I will, however, keep my trade till 1.1190. That will bring me 195 pips. Alright, and of course at this price range for this trade, I am looking for a reversal trade, meaning that I'm looking to short at this price. So I am waiting for it to retest, long it again upwards. You can see a very strong bullish movement. This gap is caused by the first round of French election result, the 11 candidates who bring the election to only Macron versus Le Pen, and of course 2 weeks later the result is out, Macron won. Alright, so pretty bullish for euro for the moment, but I'm looking for a shorting opportunity at 1.1190. Alright, this is my pound yen trade. If we zoom in a little, just now at 4:30 p.m. it came all the way up. My initial price I want to engage is 147 flat. However, I want to engage with even much tighter stop, so I place it at 147.20, and of course right now I shift it to 147.10 for a pending order. If it doesn't trigger by tomorrow, I will ignore this trade. That means I'll scrap this trade. Alright, it's quite a pity, 20 pips away, and I was having a business meeting, so I missed this part. It's really quite a pity. Alright, because even if I miss this, if I'm in front of a computer, I would highly engage at this price over here. But what is over is over. Alright, do not chase the trade. Even you are very confident you hit your take profit level, because the risk reward over risk ratio profile won't be as good as it is. Alright, so initial stop loss is at this price that bring to 50 pips of stop losses, and my initial risk for this trade is $2,816. Okay, and if it hit my final take profit level, that'll be 230 pips of profit. I know it displayed 2003, but ignore the last figure. Alright, and it will bring me to 12,955 USD profit should this trade be engaged. Alright, so where is my stop loss? At 147.60. Yeah, all right. So I will observe closely how market react at this price itself and see whether there's a trading opportunity for this. Yeah, that's about it. Final take profit level is at 144.80. All right. That's final take profit level. Target 1 is at 14592. All right, that is for the pound yen trade. So last but not least, let me bring you to dollar franc. Some interesting stuff I'd like to share with you. All right. First of all, we saw dollar franc having this what we call a sideways consolidation. That's what my student learned. All right. So they see that the market has actually consolidated sideways, and of course, it went upwards and it came downwards. All right. So if you go to forward chart, it looks something like this. But if you look closely, it have broken upwards itself. I'm not giving any, or rather sharing any trade ideas over at this price, but I'll be sharing with you one of the possible outcome. Okay, so I'm going to draw a rectangle, I call it rectangle formation, or to some who is more familiar with what I'm going to call it is a sideways bounce. Okay, so let me just tighten this a bit. At this price range, I'm looking for signal to long. This price range, I'm looking for signal to short. And we can easily see that the through and flow in this rectangle easily fetch you a 221 pips of profit. And of course, looking for long over here, looking for short over here, stop loss will be above this price, stop loss will be below this price. However, for this trade, all the stop loss in terms of number of pips, I'll keep it constant because there's high likelihood that the last trade, if you have this Martingale theory, in short, you double up your trade and with your profit, which is not recommended in my school. But when you double up the last trade, it will either go this side or this side. So if you do a double up theory, the last or double up management, the last trade will be your biggest losses. All right. So for bounce, I don't recommend you do anything close to that, and even for new trader, you shouldn't be doing it. I'm not doing myself. I'm not doing double up trading technique myself. All right. That's all I have for you today. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Once again, trade ideas is the possible potential setup I'm looking to trade, and I do see there's a high potential returns. However, it is not a trading signal or a trade call. Kindly do your own analysis and risk management before you engage any trade or any investment decision. Till I see you in the next video. Have a nice weekend. Bye for now.